Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to check whether your pages are ranking or not. Okay. So what do you need to do? You just need to write site, 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 then colon is there. Then you need to put your website's link. You can see it right here, site colon www.sumsmarketing.com. Okay. Then just press enter. Now you can see all pages that are ranking for your website. So you can just see it right here. Okay, you can just see it right here. And if I tell it in a simple way, so I'm just telling you that you can see pages for 45 pages of my website are ranking, 31 pages are not, because I have not submitted those URLs for indexing. I'll do it soon because I need to make some changes. Okay, so this is the right way that you can use to check whether your pages are ranking or not. Okay, and I'll tell you, if suppose if your pages are not ranking, I'll in my coming videos I'll tell you how to make your pages, your each and every blogs rank on Google or any search engine. Okay, it's not just about Google, just that Google is capturing 90% of search engine or whatever search queries are there, but there are other search engines also, like Bing is there, then this say Yap is there. Okay, DuckDuckGo is there for privacy purpose. If you are very much into taking care of your data or your privacy concern is there for you, so you can just use DuckDuckGo. Okay, so these are the Yahoo is also there. Okay, so these are some of the search engines that are there, but we normally use Google because 90% of the population use Google, so that's why people used to focus more on Google. But it's important, even if I talk about China and Russia, so they have their own local search engines. Okay, so if you are having getting a lead from China or Russia, then it's good if you are taking care of their search engine also. It's not just about Google, but when you get a client, you need to take care of each and every search engines. Okay, so yeah, this is the right way to check whether your website is ranking or not, or whether your website is indexing on Google. It's not just about ranking, it's all about whether your website is there indexing on Google or not, or any search engine. Okay, it's not about Google. So in my coming video, I'll tell you how to rank your websites, how to rank your website pages, not website. Okay, you cannot rank an entire website on Google or any search engine. You can rank its pages, you can rank its blogs. Okay, I'll tell you how to write blog in the right way that will help you to rank it on Google or any search engine within a day, within 24 hours. You can make it happen. Okay, I have done it. I've done it for my website, I've done it for my clients also. We are doing it regularly, so I'll tell you how to do it. So subscribe for my channel, like, comment, share, and if you have any question related to this topic, comment in this video. I'll cover in my coming videos. I hope that this will be helpful for you. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.